Oracle. Drop 10% the day they beat the numbers. That's your first sign something's wrong beneath the thunder. $1 goes to Jensen. Jensen sends to Sam. Sam wise, Larry feeds it back again. Nobody made money. Same bill going round. 2.5 trillion built on 20 cents a ground. The crack is showing.
Can you see it yet? Every bubble looks like growth before the net.
85 billion. Google calls it investment. Servers rot in 3 years. That's the real assessment. Goldman says $1 trillion by 27. Sure, OpenAI won't profit until 30. Read the fine print, more stock.
Positive cash flow, not before 2030. So who's getting paid right now while all the books say dirty?
The hands that hold the city never built a single brick. MGAM on the table, that's the only trick. 1999 they said the web would change the world. It did, but first $1 trillion burn. Watch history unfurl.
When the music stops and the circle finally breaks, Jensen keeps the chips, Sam keeps the paperwork he makes. Elon's already gone, Larry grabbed the contract fast. Aya owns the 49, Microsoft was built to last.
The startups disappear, the giants feet the floor. You remember this the day the market hits the door. They sold you the future,
they hid you the bill. AI bubble, baby.
Watch it spin until it spills.